I'm Troy with LATICRETE International. Today we're going to be using our polyurethane waterborne wall system called Vertical WB. This system has a Class A fire rating and can be used in schools, kitchens, laboratories, anywhere where you want a wall that's easy to clean. Today we're going to be using our white gloss. It also comes in a satin. It can go on substrates such as concrete walls, wallboard, or cement block. So the Hydroband board is part of our waterproof system that you could use in kitchens, laboratories, wherever you're looking for a waterproof system that has a good coating on it that you're able to clean. This product goes down at 6 to 8 mils and comes in a satin and a gloss. And it truly is as easy as painting a wall. This product offers easy application, protection, and a Class A fire rating. For more information, see laticrete.com.